Today on World Famous Foods, Italian garlic chicken in the crock pot. Let's cook. All right, so we're gonna add some olive oil to our chicken and Italian seasoning, salt, a little bit of pepper. Mix this all up. Okay, we're gonna just do all our chicken like that. All right, now we're gonna put our chicken in the crock pot. It's a pretty simple recipe. Not a whole bunch of ingredients, but let's just see how it turns out, right? Okay, now we're gonna add our garlic. Of course, we're using whole cloves here. Just place them all around in here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. All right. Then we're gonna add our chicken broth. Now we're gonna cover this. We're gonna cook it on high for about 4 hours. All right, folks, here we are after 2 hours. Still going good, still going good. Get some of that seasoning in there, oh yeah. Okay, folks, in 4 hours. All right, so our Italian garlic chicken is finished. Look at that. Okay, time to plate this. Okay, folks, so here is our Italian garlic chicken with some oven-baked potatoes. Let's enjoy this. World Famous Foods.